The quest for harnessing the imagination of scientists, inventors, and enthusiasts for centuries. One intriguing avenue in this pursuit is the use of permanent magnets to create a free energy generator, challenging conventional wisdom and sparking debates between basic academic thinking and more unconventional, out-of-the-box theories. While basic academics dismiss the possibility of free energy generators, proponents of unconventional thinking believe that it is not only possible but may hold the key to an energy revolution. Basic academic thinking and inverter generators. For those seeking a basic understanding of generators, inverter generators represent a widely accepted technology. These generators operate on well-established principles, relying on mechanisms such as fuel combustion to produce energy. However, it is crucial to differentiate between conventional generators and the unconventional, yet intriguing, concept of free energy generators. Nikola Tesla's legacy. Nikola Tesla, a pioneer in the field of electrical engineering, introduced groundbreaking technologies that continue to shape our world. Tesla's alternating current, AC, generators, which operate without the need for inverters, remain a testament to his ingenuity. Large hydroelectric generators in countries like the United States and China employ Tesla's technology, producing stable sine waveforms at frequencies of 50 to 60 Hz. AC generators as free energy generators. One remarkable aspect of Tesla's AC generators is their potential as free energy generators. This means that countries utilizing this technology are essentially providing their citizens with access to free energy. The secrets behind Tesla's AC generators are still shrouded in mystery, with references pointing to licensing agreements with companies like Westinghouse. Theory of operation for magnet generators, free energy. To understand the theory behind free energy AC generators using permanent magnets, it is essential to explore the concept of canceling the lens force. The lens force, a consequence of Faraday's law, manifests as a back electromagnetic field, back EMF, opposing the rotation of the rotor in the generator. Nikola Tesla proposed innovative solutions, such as the use of bifiller coils, to reduce the lens force and enhance the efficiency of the generator. Tesla's bifiller coil and modern mathematical perspective. Tesla's mention of winding coils and incorporating bifiller coils to minimize the back EMF remains an intriguing aspect of his work. While Tesla's patents delve into variations of the bifiller coil, mainstream college textbooks and technical literature often neglect this matter. However, from a modern mathematical perspective, Tesla's theory regarding the free energy potential of AC generators appears reasonable. Modern research and perspectives. Dr. Oleg D. Hefemenko's book, Causality, Electromagnetic Induction, and Gravitation, presents a contemporary exploration of electromagnetic fields and their relation to free energy. His research delves into the mathematical and physical considerations of electromagnetic phenomena, providing an alternative perspective to traditional theories. Ken Wheeler, recognized as the world's #1 expert on magnetism and ether, has endorsed Hefemenko's work, adding credibility to the exploration of free energy through magnet generators. The pursuit of free energy through magnet generators challenges conventional wisdom and opens doors to innovative possibilities. Nikola Tesla's legacy, coupled with modern research and perspectives, suggests that the dream of unlimited, sustainable energy may not be as elusive as once thought. As scientists continue to explore and understand the intricacies of electromagnetic fields, the concept of free energy generators using permanent magnets may well become a reality, ushering in a new era of clean and abundant power.
We have a gift for you that is tricks to reduce your electricity bill by at least 75%. And the way to complete energy independence, get rid of the monopoly of big energy. You will never have to pay for electricity. Method, amplify electricity to make output power greater than input power. See link in description. Thanks for watching.